Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my new series, Road Tripping with Royal Farms. And for today's first stop, we're actually going to go to Jerusalem Mill, which is just outside of Baltimore. But before I head up there, let's go inside and grab some coffee. Iced coffee secured, let's hit the road and check out Jerusalem Mill. The Jerusalem Mill historic site is actually located about 30 minutes north of Baltimore in Harford County. Now, this grist mill was founded by Quaker David Lee in 1772. Now, although the mill started out as a grist mill, it eventually expanded into a sawmill and other industrial operations. Another fun fact is that Jerusalem Mill has been featured in multiple movies, like the 2003 film Gods and Generals. All right, we're here. Now, historic Jerusalem Mill is actually part of Gunpowder Falls State Park here in Maryland. So you can take a tour of the mill and go hiking while you're here. During the Revolutionary War, the mill actually supplied flour to the Continental Army, which was really important to make sure the troops had the strength to keep fighting. And during the Civil War, the mill served the local community and even provided supplies for both the Union and Confederate troops. Jerusalem Mill didn't always look as good as it does today. During the 1970s, local volunteers and historians came together to restore this place and the other buildings in the village. Jerusalem Mill was powered by 2 internal water wheels. So let's head downstairs and take a look and see where they would have been. This is the Miller House. It was built in 1769 and is the oldest structure on the Jerusalem Mill village property. Let's go inside. A short walk from Jerusalem Mill is a beautiful piece of history hidden in the woods known as Jericho Covered Bridge. Let's go check that out. Behind me is Jericho Covered Bridge. It was originally constructed in 1865 and is the only remaining covered bridge in Baltimore and Harford counties. It is also one of 6 remaining covered bridges in the state of Maryland. This building is the Jerusalem Village Museum, which was once a general store. Next, let's go take a look inside the blacksmith shop. If you and the family are looking for something fun and exciting to do this weekend, come out to the Jerusalem Mills Historic Site. You can go through these buildings, see live demonstrations, and check out their on-site museum. They're open Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. Boy, it was a hot one out here today, but thank you to the staff of the Jerusalem Mills Historical Society for opening up everything for me today. I had to stop by Royal Farms to grab myself a nice refreshing iced tea. I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.